Alright, so Murad has sparked a new row into the meme coin super cycle, and he had picked up a lot of new meme coins that he is very bullish on. So we will talk about Murad. Who is Murad? What is his strategies for the meme coin, and what are the conviction tokens of Murad in this video? So if you have been following my YouTube channel, I have been posted like continuously. I was posting about the Murad into the videos, and most of the tokens which is actually pumped, I've been selected them at least 10 to 15 days back to my YouTube channel. So make sure to follow this YouTube channel because I will be pointing it out and giving you a very crisp of information over the internet to my YouTube channel. So let's understand who is Murad. So Murad is basically a meme coin analyst, and he is picking up the meme coins which has the potential to grow at least 100x, 50x, whatever it is. So basically he's a meme coin analyst, and before he was also an investor and market analyst before. And if you see, a lot of stories are running into the market about the Murad. So when I started following Murad, he had just 50k followers, and now he has more than 350k followers. So now Murad is very famous and his tokens are really pumping. So if you go to the Dex screener, one of his call which is the SPX. So when he called about the XPX, which is around 15th of September, and when he called about the SPX, that went up to 50x from his call. So if you see, let me zoom a bit. All right. So this is around 23rd of September when the price of SPX was 0.073, and now it is at zero point 0.8, which is 10x from this. And if you see from here, from this place, at least 50x from the call of the Murad. So who is Murad? I think if you wanted to trade into the meme coin, and we have now we are actually now in the situation where meme coins are pumping, and we are into the situation where we are started believing that this is the meme coin super cycle. So if you wanted to make money, if you want to make good trades into the crypto, I think meme coin you should be considering it. So he is Murad, and if I scroll down a bit, we can see a lot of quality post. He is saying boomers made it with SPX 500. So he is basically pushing SPX 6900. He is believing that. He's saying boomers had made with the money with the SPX 500, Zenex made with Nasdaq and tech, and millennials make with BTC and ETH, but now Zoomers will make money with the meme coins. So he has a lot of conviction with the meme coins. And if you scroll down, he's continuously pushing SPX. So what is his strategy and what are his tokens? So if I talk about the tokens, he posts a lot of about these tokens, basically Bitcoin is not Bitcoin is a basically a meme coin which is has a very complicated name, complicated name, which is Bitcoin Hispanic. So this is SPX 6900, Moog, Giga, Apu, Popcat. A lot of tokens are here, and he has different metrics to find it out the correct meme coin. So he has metrics about holders, percentage of the holders which has $1,000 plus holding, percentage of holders which have $10,000 plus holding. So if you see, Bitcoin, SPX and Mog had a lot of good percentage with the holders. So these are his tokens. And if you see this is his thesis. Here is my crypto investing philosophy for this cycle in a nutshell. What is his thesis? He will be trading only into the meme coin. He will be choosing either Ethereum or Solana, and range between 5 million to 200 million market cap range. Because if he is able to pick good meme coin at a very early stage, and if that did 50x, then he is very interested into such tokens, not tokens which have less than 5 million, and not with the tokens which has 200 million plus market cap. Approaching or already achieved critical mass to be deemed a legit hardcore cult. So he is very interested into the cult tokens, not into any just 2 days 3 days old meme coin. Genuine belief that this is a 3 billion plus coin. So he will be investing into the tokens where he can actually think of whether this token can pump up to 3 billion plus or not. If yes, then he will be investing. So a lot of things that he have mentioned over here. One thing which is very important, this less than 10 total positions. He is emphasizing don't go into 1,000 or 100 plus meme coins. Just concentrate your meme coin investment into maximum of 10 and believe you shall achieve. He's saying if you follow with this, hopefully you will be achieving maximum of the return into this meme cycle. So what is his strategies, and let's find it out. So before finding out the meme coins based on his theory, this is the wallet of this is the actually the wallet of all the wallets of the Murad. And if you see, the net worth is around 32 million. And this, if you see, what is the most of the holdings? SPX, highest holding, which is 24 million. Giga, 4 million. Retardio, 1 million. Popcat, Mog, Mini, Bitcoin, and Apu. So these are his top conviction meme coins in which he is very bullish on. So I think if his narrative goes into the whole social narrative, I think adoption will be into these meme coins only, and these can explode a lot. This is my hypothetical expectation that this will happen, but let's see what will be happening. We will see on screen and Twitter and everywhere. So this is the deck screener and this is the chart of the SPX. Let's figure it out which meme coins are actually good based on the Murad's theory. What he's saying is go to the filters and apply with the market cap of 5 million to 200 million. And he's also saying the pair age at least 5 to 6 months old. He's saying any token that is becoming into the mainstream and it has the community adoption, then community building takes at least 5 to 6 months. You cannot build any community in just 1 day or 7 days or maybe 1 month. It takes at least 5 to 6 months. So that means in hours, if I put, so 1 month contains around 720 hours. So let's make for the 6 months, which is around 4,000 hours to 10,000 hours, which is maximum of 1 year. He has a lot of filters more also, such as we will show them on the chart. And if let's apply over here. So these are the tokens based on the theory of the Murad, which is 2,000 pairs are here. And if I sort by the market cap, so banana is on the top based on this. Michi, Momo, Degen. So a lot of meme coins are here. Let's talk about this token, Retardio. If I open into the new tab, so once you figure it out, the token, then you have to see the Twitter, Telegram, website, and a lot of things. But one thing he has also added is any token which has at least grown 70% up, at least grown and corrected 70% down. That means a lot of plus, lot of minus. That is actually a good token because the community is able to survive a lot of dump also. So if you see, this token has pumped and then dump, then pump and then 70% plus down, then pump and 70% down, and then again survived, then again top, and then which and now you could see 20, and this is around 10, which is 50% down and again surviving. So he's saying such tokens has the potential to grow a lot because they are 7 to 8 months, they have survived at least 7 to 8 months into a lot of 70% crash and then survived again, and for at least 8 months long, and with the market cap range between 5 to 200 million. This is his overall condensed strategy. So I think you can also find your potential 100x meme coin by following this strategy. We can go for another. This is actually, by the way, another choice of the Retardio is also the choice of Murad. If you see a bit down, yeah, this is the Retardio. So he has very clear cut strategy. Just find it out. Any token which is in between 5 million to 200 million market cap range must have the potential to reach 3 billion plus coin, must have a region, must have a time frame of at least 7 months or 6 months old, and he had survived at least 1 and 2 70% crash and then survived again, So this is the overall strategy of the Murad. So if you find this is as a helpful strategy while trading for the meme coin, just hit on the subscribe button and click the like button so that you can get the quality information to your YouTube feed. That's all about this video. See you into the next video. Thank you.